Hoosier Highball is a classic and refreshing drink representing the Indianapolis Colts, inspired by Indiana's love for simple, straightforward flavors. This cocktail combines bourbon with ginger ale and a splash of orange juice for a Midwestern twist on a highball. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces bourbon, as the base of the highball, 4 ounces ginger ale, for a refreshing, bubbly finish, ½ ounce orange juice, for a citrusy twist, 1 orange slice, for garnish. For equipment you will need highball glass, bar spoon, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice. Add bourbon and orange juice. Top with ginger ale. Stir gently to combine. Garnish with an orange slice. Indiana is known as the Hoosier State, and this cocktail offers a simple yet satisfying combination of flavors that reflects the state's straightforward approach to life.